Hello everyone and welcome. Just 1 second. I hope everyone is feeling great this morning. It is Tuesday morning. And I'm just gonna give everyone the content. And while I do that, you can go in and like the live stream before I see you guys, before we start. Why is this always so freaking slow? Oh, hello guys, how are ya? Raj, Soul, Gurdeep, Soul, Judith, Rudy, Natalie, count to 100. Sleeping Golden, how are ya? Millie, Natalie, DJ Smoking Joe, hello, how are ya? Name unknown, Raj, Nadia, Angie, Super, Sleeping Golden, Matthew, Alexander, Ansari, Vishesh, Tony, Rana, Ankush, Fanboy, Raj. Time is your friend. There is no time. Milena, hello, how are you? I'm great. I am great. I'm tired this morning, but that is totally fine. In bed but watching, okay. Targets not targets, aka what are the new ones? Okay, so let's dive into the charts, guys. If you haven't already liked the live stream, please go inside and do that so you can help me with the algorithm and we push it so we can reach out to more people. Would be super sweet. Hello Aja, how are you? Lao Liang, hello. Tour, Super Rainbow, hello. Give us good news. Okay, let's see. Do we have anything today? It's the 12th of July. It's Tuesday today. Let's see. Okay, we don't have anything special. Not news, at least. We have something at 12 p.m. and 7:01 p.m. also. Remember that. 7:01 p.m. That 1 minute. In the sun with coffee. Oh, Alexander, really? Edward, hello. How are you? Okay, let's see what DXY gave us yesterday. And we are continuing to the upside. We are continuing forever. Like, there's no stop in dollars. Hello, McKay, how are ya? Hi, hello, what do you know? I'm not sure about what I know. But what I know is that the dollars don't need a pullback. Only quick ones, and then we're continuing to the upside. Hello, McKay, how are you? Goes to the 66 months. 6 monthly chart, just to see where we're coming to retest. Well, it doesn't look like this market actually does not care. We broke trend line at that level. The market goes up. This is a support and resistance zone where we are right now. Let's see. Okay, so we're breaking a zone on the 6 monthly chart where we can see. Let's look at the 3 monthly chart. I think this is a pretty good zone to have it. Either way, dollars goes up, which means Bitcoin goes down. And it sure does. Okay, looking at the 3 monthly chart, this monthly chart, this previous month that we've had, is dollar is actually a meme coin. Sure it is. Okay, let's see on the weekly chart. We're going down because we're still inside this sideways market. We're still consolidating in between 21,600, 719. Oh, so 19,000K. So what we're analyzing is actually a sideways market on the higher time frame. So that is definitely something that we need to have in mind, and that is also why it's so easy to get faked out. That is also why are you promoting? No. We need to make sure that we understand that we're actually inside the sideways market. So for us continuing back down to the support, let's take this one away. I'll take these candlesticks right here, the wicks before the push to the upside, right? And that is at 19,200. And so that is on the daily charts. We did break below this little support trend line that I did have a couple of days ago. Let's look at the 12-hourly chart. Yeah, so we broke below this level, just dragged this one back, and we understand that it looks like by just looking at the candlesticks also, yesterday candlestick did close with the break of the support trend line, and we just might now. So I'm looking at the charts, and I can already say that I'm pretty bearish on the charts. It just goes down. So do I have any other joys? Okay. So last support was at 20,385 or 80. And the market, we also have another little support right here on the 2-hourly charts, which we just might, break and continue even more to the downside. Let's see if I still want to have this one on. Just need to clean. So these ones is not accurate at the moment, so let's take them away. Let's focus on to where we are right now. Hello Albert, how are ya? I hope everyone is feeling great this morning. I hope you have nice weather wherever you are. I hope you feel good. I hope you had a good night of sleep, or I hope you will have a good night of sleep, because I had that. I was so tired yesterday. I wanted to go on a live stream, but it was Monday too, and we're gonna have a live stream tonight or at New York session. Very good. Hope you're feeling great, Natalie. Sleeping Golden. You're spamming the wrong word. What do you mean seagulls? I swear to God, you will get them here because they haven't been here all morning, and now SJ comes here and destroy my morning. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so either way, the market is right. Bitcoin is right now retesting this previous not support. But either we're creating a lower low, or we do have the momentum now. If I would have bought the market or sold the market, sorry, this is where I should have sold it. If I would want to catch this, right? So what I'm just trying to say is that it's too late for me to sell the market right now, because the market came back up inside the Fibonacci levels at 20,000K and 19,955, and then you saw the break. So we can just make a quick analyze and see what actually happened. Also, this is on the 50 minutes chart. So yeah, we saw the break retest. Was that on the 3 minutes chart? No. We saw the retest on the 1 minute chart, so I wouldn't have taken this trade based on this. But we can definitely come back down now to. We can pull back down now to 19,660. Make it a round number. So if we see the market now reverse back up a little bit, because it can definitely do that, we just might, the target based on this move is back down to 19,660, and that is also combined with the trend line that we do have on the higher time frames, the daily trend line, looking at this one, right? I just want to have it there and see how the market will react, because as I said, if we pull back down to this level, we just might have another bounce, and that will be the market creating a lower low. And then, you know, because I never sell the market at the lower low, I need the market to pull back up to give me a lower high. And right now the market is not giving me that, so I'm just waiting for the market to finish the move, whenever that's gonna be, because I do not know. But what I'm waiting for is the drop, and then see them, and then I go down to the lower time frames to potentially see the retest, right? So I'm looking, I usually always look at the 50-minute chart, and based on that, we did have this huge candlestick yesterday. We saw the retest. I mean, we just might have just small pullbacks on the lower time frames, and then see the market melt. We just might, I mean, this doesn't have to happen today, but I definitely believe that we will pull back, that we will go down to 19k again, 19,100, 200 to the support. Smoking Joe, what do you mean? What do you mean? Remember what Mama Nat said. Good morning, Mr. Ripples. How are you guys? If you want to be part of my community, Natalie Bitcoinsensus, you have the link to you do have the link right now pinned in the live chat. So on this Telegram group, we talk about cryptocurrencies, trading overall. We have so many good people there. We have Smoking Joe, for example. We have Matt. We have SG. We have McKay. Smoking Joe, little hourly play. Yeah. I just need to wait for the market to do whatever it's supposed to do. So just patient with this one. But yeah, if you want to be part of the community, you're more than welcome. The only thing that I do expect from you is obviously being polite to each other. So you have the link in the live chat if you want to. Hey guy, don't click like. Hey, that guy didn't click like. What? Who? Okay, if you haven't already liked the live stream, we got 123 people on this live stream, and we have 57 people that liked it. Come on, guys, give me a like for this live stream, and we're gonna go in directly to Ethereum and see what's actually happening. And yesterday, what I spoke about was also the break of the support trend line, and that actually happened. I did have a bullish scenario that did not play out, which is totally fine, because now we're looking at bearish scenario. So let's see what can happen. We see the market on the 3-hourly chart, 1, 2. We do have some indecision candles here. Go back and see what level. This one we can take away. But I want to have, okay, so based on, we can drag a Fibonacci now from 1,153 back down to the low at 1,083, which gives me Fibonacci levels between 1,126 and 1,118. This just might be, if we now would see a pullback to the upside, we can retest these levels. That is also a retest of the support trend line. It is pretty, we do have though a pretty huge candlestick that broke below it. Let's see how it looks on the 8-hourly chart. I mean, so we just might not have the power to pull back up to these levels and then see the market drop again. But it's always, we never know what can happen to the, we don't know what actually can happen. Because from somewhere you can just see one huge spike and then see the drop. That can definitely happen based on the charts at the moment. If we see a break above this resistance, that just might also be a level where I potentially can see the market reverse back up to it and then see the drop. But we just might, we can also do this. So we know the higher time frames Fibonacci levels. We can also drag a Fibonacci from 1108 back down to 1078, and that gives me Fibonacci levels at this area between 1097 and 1093, which means that we just might pull back. If we only see a quick pullback, we just might see the market retest this level or the 50% and then see the continuation of the drop. So that's what I'm looking for. That is what I look for at the moment. Let's see, what is the target? Okay, so if now this Fibonacci level will be valid around 1093 and 1097, take profit 1 is 1070. If this is the case now, remember I'm no financial advisor. Okay, let's have it like this. Okay, so take profit 1 will be 1072, take profit 2 1056, and take profit 3 will be 1043. Run pretty late on your end, sir. What did he do? What did he do? Okay, so this is what I see right now on Ethereum. So I'm just waiting for the market to give us a pullback. Remember, if the market pulls back up to these levels, I don't want to see one huge green candlestick, a retest from above. That for me is not a respected Fibonacci. What means is that if I see the market pull back up to these levels, I slowly and steady want to see the market break to the downside. So very important to look at what happens inside these Fibonacci levels. Very important. So I'm not giving you this because it will happen. It can. Everything is probabilities. Everything is probabilities. Let's see what US 30 does. Let's see what US 30 does. Guys, if you are new to the channel, super welcome. My name is Natalie. I've been trading since I got introduced 2018, and since then I've been backtesting myself a lot. So on my YouTube channel, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done that, and hit the notification so you know when I am live next time or when I do have my daily updates. But crypto trading for beginners is also something that I always promote on my YouTube live, because they're so good, and this is how you're able to understand how the market is moving. Part 1, Part 2 market structure is the best ones for you to look at. And then you can go down to the lower time frame back test with me. This is where I explain how I see the market, nothing more than that. You have how to master Fibonacci, and for you to master Fibonacci, you need to understand market structure, because with the Fibonacci, you draw it from lower lows and lower highs and high highs and higher lows. So you have to understand market structure for you to be able to understand how to use the Fibonacci, right? And then backtest supply and demand zones, super important. And on the other live streams, I just basically go through everything that I use before I go into a trade. So these are the ones that I definitely, Crypto King. So yeah, this is definitely what I would recommend for you to use on my YouTube channel, and then day by day just follow what I see on the charts. And don't forget that you can also receive a bonus on Bybit up to $4,450 by using the link in the description down below the video. This is how you are supporting me at Bitcoinsensus, by doing by doing that. Okay. Was it Crypto King? I'm not sure exactly how far the dollar will go, but if we're looking at the higher time frames perspective now, I already put a line here, and we are inside a 6 monthly and 3 monthly support and resistance zone, and that is between 108.360 and 106.840. But to be honest, I've been expecting dollars to give us some pullbacks, but we haven't done that yet. The next level for us to reach is this previous high at 116.500. Because when we break one zone, we are reaching another zone. So we just might see us hold above 107.600. And then the target is 119.375. But based on dollars, we can, we can reach this level, or we can reach this level and this level, because dollars continue to the upside. I don't know when it's gonna stop. I have no clue. Fake it till you make it, right? Who here is in a trade? Yes, guys, if you are in a trade right now, please write 111 in the chat. Smoking Joe is inside a trade. Crypto King also. Millie is also. Hi, nice channel. Thanks. Thank you. Jobis is also. Smoking Joe. We have Matthew also. Tony, RLL. Javas, Piet, GA, Martin, Natalie, Super, Thomas, Khalifa. Oh, that's great, guys. Are you in profit? Are you in profit? That's the big question. Hopefully. Nice channel. Not my name. I hope that's not your name. I took a break yesterday, stay waiting for enter trade. That is great. Smoking Joe is in profit. Of course he is. Smoking Joe, I'm not even asking you that. Of course you are. Time is your friend. 111. Khalifa, yes. That is great. Okay, let's see. I'm just gonna look at US. No, we had SATA RX USDT. Thank you so much, Crypto King. Thank you. Well, this baby's going down too, so. Let's see, 3 monthly chart. Who's the best mood ever? Seb. I'm just joking. He's not even here. I'm just joking, guys. I'm in small profit. I know, should be ashamed. Chad, why should you be ashamed? Small profit is still a profit. You don't look at the money. Never look at the money when it comes to profit. It's the knowledge. How are you even how can you even be in profit? Like, some people, they cannot flip money like that. Even if you take like $10 and make it $20, that is a lot, because that is what the game gives you. You can flip money. That's the whole point of it. So even if it's like $6, it's $6 more than someone that don't know how to do this. Next time it will be 60. Next time it will be 600. Next time it will be 6,000. So don't think like that. The best mood from this stream. Seagulls. Yeah, you just lost that. Don't bring them in. Okay, looking at SATA RX, we are below the previous support, which is very important for us to understand. And based on this move, we have already retested. I'm gonna take it from here. We have already retested this Fibonacci level, which means that this move is now pulling back down to this level. Okay, so we understand that we came back up, retested the Fibonacci levels. I'm gonna take this one away. Let's see how it looks on the lower time frames. Okay, 2 touches of this. Oh, this is actually perfect. Let's see how it looks. This is actually a perfect way to look at it. Okay, so we saw the market came back up to Fibonacci levels 2 times. The second time we closed below the first leg using the previous resistance that we saw these 2 fake out candles from. Even if we had to come back up and retest the Fibonacci levels, fake out candlesticks from a real support on the lower time frames, you'll see a potential retest, right? So this was actually pretty good. This screamed the market is going down. On the lower time frames, could we have taken a Fibonacci low to high? Yes, exactly. We came up exactly and retested the 50 and 61 the 50% right here, and we also had a inverted or a hanging man. So this level, this screamed we're going to the downside. We're going to the downside, and right now okay, so the overall target from this move is back down to 0.1610. We also have a support trend line right here. Look at the 4-hourly chart. I'm gonna adjust it a little bit like that. Look beautiful. Okay, so we just might see a pullback up to Fibonacci levels. I'm gonna take this one away. So Fibonacci levels between 0.2930 and 2964. What happened? Okay, looking at the lower time frames. Okay, so I got 2 Fibonacci levels where we could potentially see the market pull back up and retest. What I look at right now. So either 2,930 and 2,963, or 2,984 and $3,030. From these levels, this could be where we see the market giving me a lower high and then continuation to the downside. The overall 0.1610 is something that I like overall move, but I can definitely have other take profits before we're reaching that level. And if I don't use Fibonacci as a tool to see where the take profits can be, I can look at, I go back to the left and I look at take profit 1 could be at 2,765. take profit 2 can be 2,560, and take profit 3 back down to this low at 2,304. So I can always go back to look at the left to see where I can have my take profits, because if the market pulls back down, what happens is that previous higher lows is usually another lower high. Oh, hello Tamasha, I see you. So previous higher low just might turn into a new lower high, etc. Doesn't have to look like this obviously, but these are the take profits if I see us pull back up to these levels and I see the drop. Remember, as I said before, just because we reach these levels, I mean, we can also have a bigger push to the upside and retest the support trend line and then see the drop. So it's very important to look at how the market is reacting to these levels. Always, always very important. Guys, if you haven't already liked the live stream, please go inside and do that. It tickles in my nose. That's why I do this 24/7. If you haven't already liked the live stream, please go inside and do that. Please write 111 in the chat if you do enjoy this live stream. We got 30 minutes left of this live stream. And the seagulls is here, Sleeping Golden. The seagulls is here. Now we know. I love you. 87841. I love you too. Let's go to the higher time frames perspective, looking at AMP. And this looks crazy. This looks crazy. And the market is going down. There's no way this is going up. King something. This doesn't look bright at all. Okay, so we are in a sideways market. We are in a sideways market on AMP, and yeah, I mean, we're bouncing in between $908 and $800, and we just continue to consolidate. But if we break the support, 790 is a level, but this does not look good. It doesn't look like we, you know, it doesn't look like we're gonna go up to the to higher targets right now, though. So this is what I see. Back down to zero, potentially. Or we're just gonna consolidate here. I told you, crashing market coming soon. Look at DOT, USDT. Guys, if you want to be part of the community, Natalie Bitcoinsensus, you have the link pinned in the chat. If you want to be part of that, you can also receive a bonus on Bybit up to $4,450 by using the link in the description down below the video. I will also pin it right now in the chat, and I will change that pin message, so replay. So if you but remember, it's leverage trading. It's leverage trading, so be very careful. Very careful. Okay, looking at DOT now. We're just gonna take everything away. We're just starting off from the beginning. Market is going down. Look at the low. Do we have anything else on the left? We have the monthly chart. And that is pretty good combined with this previous resistance that we do have. The next level, if we break that level, is $4.15. Go down to the weekly chart. they're so combined. They're so good combined all the time. It's so nice. Okay, so the market is right now on the 4-hourly chart creating a lower low. So we are at a bottom at the moment on the 4-hourly, and we are consolidating. So if we would see a little bigger push now to the upside, what I'm looking at is, or what levels is $6.70 and $6.76. If we see the market pull back up to these levels for a retest, and then we can see the drop, and the drop can be back down to $6.28. Go down, go up to the higher time frames. Just 1 second, we'll do this again. Okay, so if I see that the market pulls back up to, as I said, potentially $6.70 and $6.76, take profit 1 is 6.40. Take profit 2 is 6.20, and take profit 3 is $6. So that's the whole move. If I see us pull back up to these levels and give us a rejection, so around it, I would have my stop loss above the high, and these are the profits. I'm no financial advisor. This is only what I myself see. Why are you guys always talking about pizza? You always talk about pizza, darlings. Like, isn't like lasagna good or something? Lasagna. Okay, Bitcoin is going to the downside. Noodles? What is your favorite food, Natalie? Like, I love everything with stew. I love stews. Like, I don't have like a specific one, but like something with rice and a stew is so good. Okay, let's see what we can find on the 50 minutes chart. Vegan stew, yeah, exactly. Soup is nice. Soup nice. So when I come to England in September, Tumesh should know exactly what his wife and he's gonna do to me. Haha. They're gonna make a vegan stew to Natalie. Okay, let's look at US 30. I think I have too many things on the chart, so just start over. AG is free. Wow, thank you, McKay. No, sorry, no. CP Golden. Now I know. Now I know. Definitely going down these levels. Anthony. Oh, we got Anthony here. Hello from Kansas. Wrong Anthony. I was just joking. Love your show, gal. Thank you so much. We can go and look at Cardano soon. Just let me go to. Let us just go to US 30 first of all and see. Okay, so we came back up in US 30, we retested the 50% and we we retested who here from California? Let's do, okay, so let's see, what was that? Okay, so the overall move from these levels that we are looking at, US 30, 31,573. The target for us to pull back down to is 28,640. Okay, so we saw the break of this level. Let's see on the lower time frames how it looks. Yeah, looks great. Looks perfectly. Oh, this looks even better. Oh, we came back up and retested. Tumeshu, did you take this trade yesterday? Because it looks so great. US 30 did the best move ever. We came up exactly and retested the break and Fibonacci levels. And like, that is really good. Like one really good. Dollar is going up because of the euro dropping. That's why the very strong upturn by dollar isn't affecting Bitcoin as much right now. Okay, Wajeb. That is really good for us to know. Thank you. Muchas gracias. But I don't like when the market is when we have candlestick looking like this. I don't like it. It's like we're just going sideways. The market is not doing anything special. We're just, you know, still creating a lower low, basically. And as I said, I never buy the market, sell the market at the lower low. Drag fib from high to low. If just in case we see a pullback to the upside, this is the levels that I look for. If we don't continue to see the drop right now. So I'm looking at 31,085 and 31,118. Two mix on. No, it's my stupid microphone. It's my stupid microphone and that I do not know how to fix. So as I said, we just might pull back up to these levels. If that is the case, target is 30,875, but the overall move is 30,370 based on the first Fibonacci that we did retest. And we have Leonardo DiCaprio here. Bye AJ, how are ya? Just joking. Yeah, so just waiting for US 30 also to give us a pullback to the upside. Do we have anything else? Yeah, but 88, where we're supposed to look at Cardano. We're supposed to look at Cardano. Let's see, the overall target is to pull back down to the low at 4,020. Okay. Okay, so looking at A to A, okay, we're going down right now. But let's see, did we retest this Fibonacci? Oh yeah, so we already came into another Fibonacci and we see the drop right now. So the drop that we're looking at can now potentially pull back down to 4,260, 4,262. And yeah, I'm just waiting for the market to continue with the drop and where the potential pullback can be. But I did base these Fibonacci levels on the 4-hourly chart combined with this green candlestick. So if we see a pullback to the upside, I got 4 different levels, and that is 4,442, 4,470, 4,497, or potentially 4,538. So these Fibonacci levels is based from this high at 4,683 and 4,570. So if we now don't, I mean, the market can obviously continue back down, but either way, I'm still waiting for the market to pull back up. So if we see the pullback from these targets right now, they can be accurate and then see the market drop. If that is the case, take profit 1 is 4,205, take profit 2 is 4,020, and take profit 3 is 3,860. Oh guys, I hope everyone is feeling great. I'm so tired this morning. Do you feel great? Please write 222 in the chat if you feel great. If you're tired as me, write 333. But if you haven't already liked the live streams, you should definitely do that. I think your microphone is just sensitive and you're probably getting... Oh, not a big deal. Carry on. You know more about my microphone than I do. I'm not sure what happened to the microphone, but... Oh, Smoking Joe is also tired. Why are you tired? What you've been doing? Sitting at the charts, helping guys. If you haven't already, if you're not part of Bitcoinsensus, Natalie Telegram group, you should definitely be there, because we have Smoking Joe. He's so good at the charts and he helps us so much. So they call us Papa Joe and Mama Nats now. So that is great. We have the Fibonacci Queen. And we have we have Ronnie too. Ronnie and Smoking Joe, and these guys are so good at what they're doing. So if you want to be part of the Telegram group, you are more than welcome, and you don't only have me, someone that can teach you. Papa Joe, yeah. I mean, I don't even know how old Smoking Joe is, but everyone knows now how Smoking Joe's voice sound like, and I do too, and we all like it. But if you want to be part of the group, you will know who Smoking Joe is from the beginning, and also Ronnie. They share most of the charts. Matt too. I'm cheating on Diana. I'm in bed with Matic. Oh no, don't tell that to Diana if she's not here. I bet Smoking Joe is like half laughing now because everyone likes his voice. Awkward. That was not something that he was thinking about when he when he did the video. Every girl was like, "Oh, Smoking Joe, like your voice." It's like, that's not why I'm here. I'm not here for you to like my voice, but we don't care because we still like it. Yeah, but that's not why I'm here, but we don't care about that. Tell me more about the Fibonacci, Joe. Oh, okay. I love it. You have nothing to say about that, Smoking Joe. You destroyed it for yourself. You just keep talking, Joe. It's okay. Okay, looking at Solana. Seb is with Lauren on a honeymoon. Yeah, wonder who's gonna come up. I don't think Seb would survive that. Neither one of them. Okay, so looking at Solana, we broke the support trend line a couple yesterday with this huge. So this does look exactly the same as on Bitcoin. So what I also did now, also the overall move that I can potentially see us come back down to is 16.50. Okay, so this is the thing. We're going down. The market is going down at the moment, and we do have a support right here on the 2-hourly chart. Looking at the 30-minute, we are consolidating on the lower time frames, but this is a pullback that we're looking at, right? If we would see a bigger momentum to the upside, we just might, if this is happening now, we just might pull back up to 34.54, potentially 34.82 for then market to drop. Overall target from this Fibonacci is 32.55. But I'm not sure if this is going to happen because as I said, we see the market drop right now. If we see that the market breaks below the support at 33.40, that will we will have other levels to calculate where the next potential Fibonacci can be. I don't have it at the moment. That is why I only use the higher time frames Fibonacci. But as you see, the market is dropping at the moment. So what I wait for is the market to obviously give me something like this, because we always sell the market at the lower highs. Never sell the market right here, because if you do, you don't know. You just might obviously see the market continue, but you don't know if the market from nowhere, pulls back down to $33 and give you the pullback to the upside, which means that if you sell the market down here, you will be in the loss, and then the real move happens. And you cannot, if you sell the market here, well, you're gonna have your stop loss over here, and that makes no sense. It makes no sense to have a stop loss that far away from the price. So that is why it's always wait for the market to give us a pullback, even if that means we have to wait for it. It is Thursday only. So a lot of things will happen during this week, obviously, and maybe some of you are already inside some trades. James, hello, how are ya? Smoking Joe, London Open. Yes, we have it. We didn't have anything special today. No, we didn't. Guys, please write 1 in the chat if you do enjoy this live stream. If you are new to the channel, super welcome. My name is Natalie. I have these morning live streams every single day from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. Swedish time. So that is 1 hour before London session opens. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, you should definitely do that, because I say so. Okay? No, but I'm pretty good when I'm very good when it comes to the technicals, and I backtest myself so much now. So I do have some new things coming, because I learned so much myself too, and it's definitely something that I want to share, but I have to do it myself first. Just focused. But until then, follow me during my daily live streams. We will also have a live stream at the end of New York session today. So have that in mind. That is maybe 9 hours from now. Crypto trading for beginners is definitely something that I want you to focus on, because that's how you understand how market structure is moving, and market structure is moving the market. If we want to make that simple. And backtest with me, it's also a playlist that if you want to sit down for yourself, bring pen and paper, master Fibonacci, supply and demand zones, trend lines, etc. Then just make it your own thing. Everyone use the tools in a little bit differently. So if you see someone does one thing and I do another thing, you just have to back test it yourself, so you getting comfortable with how you want to do it, right? If you want to be part of the Bitcoinsensus Natalie community, you will have that in the live chat. So you're more than welcome to be part of this community. On this community, the only thing that I do expect you obviously to do is respect me and everyone inside of it. So you should definitely be on that Telegram group. Don't forget that you can also receive a bonus on Bybit up to $4,450 by using the link in the description down below the video. This is how you are supporting me and Bitcoinsensus, so I am always available for you. Tony, you're welcome. Join or McKay will delete you. Yes, and now we threat people on this. Just so you know. Let's go through Bitcoin. Let's go through Bitcoin before we go and just see what's actually happening. Okay, so the market is we are at the 1 hourly candlestick. We just opened now, so London session is about to go down. So let's see. We can possibly continue to drop from this. Let's see. What levels do we retest? What levels do we retest? Hello, how are you? Eric, how are ya? I'm great, Eric. I'm great. Is it that? It's not so far away. Oh yeah, so we're definitely, I can definitely see us pull back down now to 19,660. This is definitely something that I can see us pull back down to. And that is also the retest. That is also the retest of the resistance. So yeah, I can definitely see a drop now because London session just opened. And we just might have a drop right now, and maybe from these levels we'll see the market pull back up. What levels do we retest though? Oh yeah, okay, so the market is just dropping right now. Yeah, the market is going down. And yeah, you can see we're about to retest 19,660. After 3 a.m. I'm seeing 3 gnats on my screen. You're that tired? Okay, the market is like retesting this level almost as perfectly it can. Like we're so close to 19,660. So the market is just dropping and we are retesting the resistance trend line that we did break a couple of days ago. So this is the daily resistance trend line that we're retesting again. Even if we are inside a consolidation market at the moment, if we close below the support trend line, resistance trend line on the lower time frames, I can definitely find a level to sell it from. But we're not below this. We are not below. We just might also see the market retest it and then pull back up. This doesn't mean the market will reverse to the upside, but that just means that we just might have a pullback to the Fibonacci levels or previous lower lows, create a new lower high, and then see the continuation of the drop. As I said, right now I don't have anything at all on Bitcoin because the market is creating a low. So just with some patience, waiting for the market to pull to the upside. So if you are not in the group, a Telegram group, because I will update you of what I see later, and then I will also give you an update video around in a couple of hours too. So yeah, I'm just waiting for the market of Bitcoin to pull back up to create a lower high. We just might pull back up and retest the 19,860. We just might also come up to 20K again. I have no clue what's going to happen. But what I know is that I will not sell the market at the moment. So nothing special right now on Bitcoin. It goes down, so I need to wait for the market to pull back up a little bit. Guys, I'm gonna end this live stream right now. Thank you so much for being on this live stream. Please write 1 in the chat if you did enjoy it. It's a gift for all of us. Natalie makes a lot of work. She talks about angels, but I think she's an angel. She got such a positive, intellectual, functional way of looking at everything. Wow, so thank you so much, Sleeping Golden. Why are you so cute? That makes me so happy. So happy. I need to take a screenshot of it. No, everyone's writing 111. Wait, that's so beautiful. Thank you, Sleeping Golden. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Wish everyone will have a great day. We see each other later. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification so you know when I am live next time. Don't forget that you can also receive a bonus on Bybit up to $4,450 by using the link in the description down below the video. So thank you everyone. Thank you Smoking Joy, McKay, Sleeping Golden for helping out, Matthew, Ginger, Cantero, 0098, Waye, Pau Pau, Pantheon, Chad, Crypto King, Crypto, Tony, Sansea, Raquel, Tony, Ginger, Roy, Crypto, Alan, Sin. Okay, thank you, Tony. Thank you, Suresh, Super Rainbow, Smoking Joe, of course, again. Khalifa, have a fantastic day. We see each other in the chat, guys. We see each other in the chat.